Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my May update for Paranormal Pantivity. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab that was created by Andrea, who's pretty as a peacock. We started September 24th, 2022, which is National Ghost Hunting Day, and this ends on September 24th, 2023. I don't know if this one's coming back. I haven't seen an update from Andrea, but if she updates and mentions it, then I'll let you know next month. So I'm starting to wind down on this project. I still think I'll have enough to go all the way to the finale, but it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. All right, I'm looking over here because this is where the prompts are. So first, Poltergeist, a product that gives you trouble, hard to use, faulty packaging, etc. I brought in this. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Gel. Someone from Ulta sliced this open with a cutting knife, like a box knife. Jessica ordered some Not Your Mother's from Ulta during their little hair sale, and it all came destroyed. Like the box was soaking wet. Ulta, I swear. So anyway, this is where we are right now. I'm making pretty decent progress. I put in some mousse today. I know a lot of people don't like crunchy hair, but at this point, I don't really care. It's growing so slow. Normally it grows a little bit faster. I just wanted to get back to a length where I can put it up. So anyway, goal is to finish it. I think this will probably be done by September. Next, Doppelganger, a product that you have a double of or backup of. I brought in this. This is my Eva NYC hair mask. Love this thing. I don't think I'm taking weights. No, I haven't been weighing it. I've only used this a few times. I've been trying to finish a couple of other things before it. It smells so good. It doesn't smell as nice as the Moroccan oil, but it still smells very good. I still like it. So my goal is to finish this. Normally takes me about 6 months. So we'll see. And then we have Dyebook. I don't have my glasses on. I apologize. And that's a product still in its box. This was in its box when I bought it. This is the Revolution I Heart Watermelon spray. As of the last update, I used it 26 times. I think this is wrong. Oh no, you know what? This is wrong because as the last update, I used it 12 times because I meant to film this last week and I put all my numbers in. I used it 12 times. I've used it 18 more times for 30 uses, and that orange line is where we are. I don't like this, and I am on the fence about whether I'm going to keep the other one or not. This smelled like watermelon when we first started. We are almost done, and now it no longer smells like watermelon. So I may chunk the other one. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll use it, but yeah, it's not my favorite. My goal is to finish that. Next, we have Boogeyman, a product that you use at night. I've been working on these. These are my Dream Booster drops. I started these in January, and I can't make a new line. Part of the issue is this is a retinol alternative, and I started the Olay Retinol Moisturizer, so I'm not getting as much use out of that. I didn't think that through, did I? I did not. All right, next. Demon, a product that you're tempted into buying. I mentioned that it's just that tempted me into buying this NARS Orgasm Palette. My goal is to use this 23 times. I've used it 8. And I've used mostly this kind of corner. These are a bit too deep. What's crazy is, like, I saw the new NARS palettes, and it looks the exact same. Do they literally recycle all of the same colors every year? Because Lord, how about no? How about no? All right, next, necromancy. I don't know how to say that. A product you haven't used in a long time. I brought in this. This is a Clinique Happy Gelato Berry. This has been discontinued, but my goal is to finish this. I've used it 3 or 4 times. You really don't need much. Like, just this much will do like an entire room. So, but it smells so good. It's such a good formula. I really wish they would bring it back, or at least make this into a perfume. Not that I need another perfume, but that's a story for a different day. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Next, Ouija board. I bought a product with embossing or a print. I brought in this. This is my Nobla Skin Glazing. I almost said Nobla Cutie palette. That's eyeshadow. This is the Skin Glazing in Truth. Goal is to use this 23 times. I've used it 8 times. You can see I'm starting to get some wear on the, on it. These are pretty, but as I've shown before, the Shop Miss A baked ones are dupes. And I think a lot of people took me seriously because they're always sold out now. So they either took me seriously or they're going to rebrand, because they did that. They've rebranded a few things. I have some stuff to do with Shop Miss A full face of Shop Miss A, so you may see that in the next few weeks or something. All right, next we have Urban Legend, a product that's too good to be true. I brought in this. This is my Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. Again, using retinol, and normally retinol turns your cells over and you don't really need to exfoliate. So I'm using this every other week, maybe once or twice a month. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have like a couple more of these in my collection and they're not gonna last forever. Maybe I'll sell them on Mercari or something. So yeah, if you're interested, I'll give you a discount. Let me know. All right, next we have Orbs, a product that brings light to your face. I've been working on this. This is the I Heart Revolution powder. This is a finishing powder. It is, I mean, it's on my face today, but my goal is to finish it. I'm not too far away. You can kind of see my Willy Wonka line. I mean, I don't have very much left at all. So as of the last update, this weighed 53 grams. It's now down to 52. So I used up 1 gram. Next, Seance, a product you brought because someone else recommended it. I had brought in this Cherry Blossom lipstick from Sephora. I stopped tracking because this is now by my couch. I don't like this formula. You can see where we are now, this little orange line right here. I don't like this formula. It is too dry and it doesn't wear away nicely. So I drink out a straw. Like I always have a cup with a straw. And the reason why I do that is because my cat either will try to drink out of my cup or I will drink a gallon of cat hair. And when I started keto in 2017, I could not, like, you get the keto breath where it's like, you're releasing acetone and stuff and your breath is just awful. And I was like, I could not like stand the smell of my lid after I've taken a drink out of it. So I started using a straw. So there's no reason why, you know, it should wear away if I haven't eaten or anything, you know what I mean? So yeah, I don't care for that formula, but my goal is to finish it and I think I'll get it done. Again, it's light enough that I can use it like as a gloss or whatever, or not a gloss, but like as, without having to, you know, look in a mirror or whatever. So I've been wearing it around the house. I hope that makes sense. I feel like a whole lot of talking for nothing. A whole lot of talking for nothing. Next, Black Dog, an animal themed product. I had brought in this shade. This is called Sing a Song, and I think this was from the Lovebird. Nope, it was from, no, the Lovebird palette, I think, which was one that had the peacock feathers on it. I don't know, I've decluttered time. My goal is to hit pan. I am not there yet. I have used this 5 times. Yeah, I'm gonna hit pan real quick. It's really pretty. One of the prettier kind of sparkly shades from ColourPop. So yeah, I will eventually hit pan in that. It's just taking a little longer than I wanted to. Silkies, a product with a silky texture, is the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. I haven't started that at all. I don't think that'll get finished by September. So I may just end up rolling that out. And then Spirit, a nature themed product, I brought in the KVD Lip Vinyl in Carnation, and I've used that 10 times total. So my goal is to finish that. I have a while to go. So yeah, that's it. As of the next update, I don't think I'll have anything done, but I think I'll be making good progress in most things. And that Clinique lotion may be done, and I may have pan in that ColourPop shimmer, but we'll see. So yeah, and that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Be sure to check out Andrea, who is pretty as a peacock, and you can find the link to her sister's Etsy shop. She's the one that drew the thumbnail, so you can find her link down below. So yeah, that's it. I hope this one comes back. I had a good time doing it, but like I said, I'll keep an eye out and let you guys know. Or Andrea, if you watch this, if you will let me know in the comments, I'd appreciate it. So yeah, that's it. You're going to be seeing this look. And you're going to be getting a video basically every day until like, I don't know, June the 2nd, because I am behind on filming and I have a lot of updates that need to go live. So I hope you enjoy. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. You guys want to leave like a ghost emoji, or do you want to just say hi? Just say hi. Tell me how you're doing. I cannot believe we're at the end of May. Yeah, end of May, man. That's crazy. All right, friends. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at Misty Pens. Leave a comment, leave an emoji, whatever you want to do. I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye for now.